Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do a cute little half braid curly hairstyle. So let's get into it. First, I want to tell you that I'm operating on a week and a half old twist out, so don't judge me. Let's go in with our wide tooth comb, and then we're going to use a little elastic band, and we're going to try to part our hair. Now, this was kind of challenging because it was so hard to see my hair in the viewfinder, but I decided that I wasn't gonna punk out. I decided that I was gonna struggle through it and let you guys see how amazing I am. Okay, let me stop. I eventually gave up and decided to part my hair off camera, and this is what it looks like. Nice. So then we're gonna go in with the other side of our hair and we're gonna put that bad boy up so that it's out of the way so that we can braid the other side that I just parted. And now I'm using the Natural Curl Defining Cream from Dark and Lovely, and I'm going to spread that throughout my hair. Okay, now we're gonna start to braid our hair. And what I do is I braid on an angle so the hair kind of goes down a little bit. And then curve at the back, which I'm gonna show you shortly. And it's important to note that I'm leaving a little piece of hair close to my ear out because we're gonna curl that up at the end. So now we're going to prep the other half of my hair for twisting. We're actually going to follow the same method that we did with the first part of my hair, except this time we're not going to braid, we're going to twist. So we're going to get our spray bottle, we're going to get our curl defining cream, and we're going to get our comb to comb out the hair to make sure that everything's not tangled. Don't you hate when that happens? When you comb out your hair and you start getting those little fuzz balls? Like, I know it's dead hair and everything, but I always feel deep down inside that's my progress. That's my progress leaving with every brush, with every comb, with every sweep. Am I the only one? Does this happen to you too? Anyways. Also wanted to mention that normally when I do this hairstyle, it takes about 3 to 4 hours to dry, so keep that in mind. I don't like to use, what do you call those things again? Blow dryers, because it makes my hair crispy and dry, and I don't like that. I don't like that at all. So in this video, I decided instead of waiting the 3 to 4 hours, I was just gonna sleep and wake up the next morning and take the twists out. Okay, so now we're going to take the twists out. I carefully go in and I separate the twists, and then later I go back in and the twists that were already separated, I separate those ones again, just following the natural curl pattern so that things aren't looking super frizzy. So after going back in to make things a little bit more fluffy, I'm gonna get my handy dandy Eco Styler gel and a toothbrush, a bobby pin, beauty guru. And what I'm gonna do first is I'm actually gonna pin the back of the braid underneath the twist so that it's not dangling and it's nice and hidden. Now I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styler gel and I'm just gonna swoop my little baby hairs. Well, at least I was trying, because I couldn't see. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the same Eco Styler gel, I'm gonna put some on my fingers and run it through that little dangly part that we had left out earlier, and I feel like this adds a little bit of pizzazz, a little wow to the hairstyle, and I just think it's so cute, especially when it dries up a little bit. It gets a little short and coily. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely go ahead and give this hairstyle a try. Sometimes I do this hairstyle when I'm too lazy to do my full head of hair. So there's that. Bye!